Morty Smith is Rick's grandson and the second main character from Rick and Morty. On this video I'm gonna teach you how to make his figure. Let's begin, creators. Creators, welcome once again to the second Rick and Morty week video. On this video I'm gonna show you how to make Morty Smith with that expression that I'm not really sure how to call it. But I think it's the perfect expression for a Morty figure. We will start with a black round wood plank with a nail in the middle. I like to work this way because it's perfect to have the figures as decorations and to make the figure around the nail, so when the figure dries it will be stuck on the nail. So I really prefer this way of working my figures for the channel. Morty's figure is extremely easy to make. He's one of the easier figures that you will find on the channel, and his body has a process similar to Rick's figure, which will be making a cylinder that will be his body. And for the color I just mixed yellow and white to make light yellow, so that's the color for his body. As I said before, the figure is very simple to make, so it doesn't require much time to make, and it's awesome as a decoration. I use cold porcelain instead of polymer clay or regular clay to make my figures, since cold porcelain is an air-dry material and gets as hard as rock, so it's very resistant. And unlike polymer clay, it doesn't require an oven. That for me it's a lot better that way. So I always use this material for the figures, but the process still works for the other materials as well. To make the face you will only need a big circle of the skin tone color and place it on top, obviously. First I made two small holes to see where the eyes will be, and then with a much bigger ball stylus I made the holes for the eyes. Morty has very big eyes, although most Rick and Morty characters do, so be sure to make him some really big eyes. For the mouth we will make two small drop shaped balls and place the mouth. I will always laugh when they make this expression, so it was perfect for making Morty. Then we will only have to place the small details for the face, like the nose and the ears. As I said before, these kind of figures are very easy to make, so I really encourage you to make them if you like Rick and Morty. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I post pictures of the figures that I have made for the channel, and some that are in the process, and also some that aren't on the channel as well. So if you're interested, the link will be down below. Now for the eyes, that as you can see are very bulging eyes, we will make a big white circle, and then we will make a small black asterisk that will be the pupil. The designs are very simple, but they turned up awesome. As you can see, he's starting to look like Morty, but the hair and the eyebrows will make him the one true Morty. You will see on this channel how those little details really change the whole figure. We are almost finished with the figure, so I would like for you to leave on the comments down below which character from Rick and Morty you would like to see next. For those who don't know, the way my channel works is that every week we will have a different theme for the figures of a game, series or movie, and the figure of that week will all be of the same game, for example. This week it was Rick and Morty's week, so I made Rick and Morty since I had to start with them. But for the next Rick and Morty week I would like to know which character you would like me to do. It can be any character from the series, even if it's easy or hard. So please leave it in the comments down below. As you can see, this is how MORTY turned out. I really love the end result, although it was an extremely easy to make figure and it didn't require much explanation, but it is still an awesome figure. If you like it, don't leave without leaving your like and subscribing, and leave on the comments which character should go next. I'm gonna talk to you in the next video. Bye creators!